हिंदुस्थानान तर जगाक कितें दिला जाल्यार योगा दिला. खूब फाटी आमी समजतात की वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड जे आहा पळय तें आमकां सगळें दिता म्हणून. आमी कितें जगाक दिता पळय कोणाक याद उरना. आनी आमी हिंदुस्थानान जे जगाक दिला पळय तें योगा एक बरें शास्त्र. आनी हें शास्त्र म्हाका दिसता एका दिसानान 2 दिसान तयार जावना. हें तयार जावपाक शेकड्यांनी वर्सां गेले आसतले ही आसनां तयार जावपाक. कित्याक ह्या सगळ्या आसनांनी सायन्स आहा. सायंटिफीक हे शरीर मजबूत कशें करचें हे एक पाठ. शरीरान मन बरोबर कशें आसचें सिंक्रोनायज कशें जावपाक जाय तें म्हत्वाचें. तुजें मन आनी शरीर बरोबर काम करीत जाल्यार म्हाका चडशे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कमी जाता. गुड सायन फॉर a healthy nation. A healthy nation should stay away from hospitals, stay away from doctors. But for that, you have to do something preventive. So prevention is better than cure, we say. How we keep people away from hospitals and doctors and medicine. Having a good healthcare system doesn't mean that the health of the people is good. The health of the people has to improve, and that is by doing preventive steps, taking preventive steps in our lives. And one of the best things to do is yoga. I feel. It doesn't cost you a penny. It is completely free. All you have to dedicate half an hour of your life per day. That would be enough, I feel.
Government of India has a philately program under which postage stamps are released throughout the year to commemorate various occasions and to honor individuals who have made contributions to the national mainstream. And as you know, Charles Correa was the greatest contemporary architect of India. And it's in the domain of the state government to suggest names to the central government. And there is a committee which will, it's a broad-based committee called Philatelic Advisory Committee. They will go through all the requests received and they will select. So since it's a matter under the domain of the state government to propose names of great sons of the land, I just made a suggestion that the state government can consider. So today postage stamp is considered a major honor which a country bestows upon its eminent sons. So there is no cost involved in this. It is, like I said, postage stamps are paper ambassadors. So when a stamp is released on Charles Correa, it will travel on letters and it will travel all over the world. So that way the work and contribution of Charles Correa will get